I'm a proud Jew every day, but particularly today. We are a people who have faced attempted erasure and annihilation for millennia, including, unfortunately, even in some of our hallowed institutions, like our nation's military cemeteries. Before I read Psalms chapter 130 in Hebrew, I am really proud to share with you that upon conclusion of this ceremony, I'll be introducing legislation that will continue the effort that Dr. Eiferman has engaged in, along with Operation Benjamin, to make sure that we can identify and replace the gravestones of all the Jews who have served our nation honorably and who have had their own gravestones misrepresented in terms of their faith. Shir Hama'alot Mima Amakim Kira Tika Adonai Adonai Shima Vikoli Tiena Az Necha Kashuvot Lichol Tacha Nun Ani Vihu Yifte Es Yisrael Michol Avo Nota.